Whoa! This rope ferry's sway is throwing me off. How do we make it across?
Calm down, Motorbike. Let me assess the situation.
Smarter way? The ferry's drifting, there's no time. I just need to race through.
Racing won't work. Look closely. The lines are shaking. We need stability first.
Stability? Easier said than done. If we slip, it's all over.
Trust me, I'll secure the rig. You just focus on keeping the cargo steady. The hook's sliding. Robot Librarian, it's getting worse.
I see it. Calculating. There. A tighter knot on the anchor point will hold it.
The clock's ticking. We're running out of time.
One clear move, Motorbike. Watch, plan, and act calmly. Ready?
There goes nothing. Holding steady. Did it work?
It worked. The cargo is stable. Let's finish this crossing together. We made it! That was incredible teamwork. Nice work, Robot Librarian.
Cheers to strategy and calm thinking.